Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add call to action button in your Spectra page builder. So now let me go in the pages, and after that I want to show you how you can easily add call to action button. So here I want to edit this page as 2, and before adding call to action button I want to add a new container. So let me add, and here I want to select the one column row. After that again click here plus, and now here I can search for call to action button. So this one I can drag it here, and then after that here you can add your own text. For example, and again here you can change the description. You can also change button text. Scroll down, and here you can see the button options. You can link the button with any page. Just you can copy any page link and you can easily add here. And then here you can see vertical alignment. You can align the button in the middle as well as on the top. You can change the button style. You can also display the button icon. So the first tab is layout. Here you can see alignment options. So this is for the text alignment, and you can change the title tag as well as content width, and you can also add one additional button. Then go to style tab, and here you can change the color for your headings, as well as you can also use other typography options such as font style, font family, and many more. Then you can also customize the description by changing color as well as different typography options. Same you can also use for the button. You can apply button background color and different other settings. Then scroll down. Here you can add some spacing. For example, if you want to add from the top, here you can see it is moving towards down. Final step is click on the save button, and now you can view the page to see the final result. So guys, here you can see how it looks. In this way you can easily add call to action button.